guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Waterwolf, and
emme Katie.
So we're going to be doing another satisfying slime and more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please continue to watch because it'll get better and better. And we'll start out with slime, and then we'll do Nessie jumping again. My dog Nessa, if you don't know her. We suggest you watch my 2-minute video of Nessa jumping 3 feet. Yes, I said 3 feet high jump, and we will do that again, but maybe even taller this time if we have any pillows. But we need you guys to give us 10 likes total. And then if you do give us 10 likes total, then we'll make more satisfying slimes and more Roblox videos. Okay, guys? So
we
we'll
know you
start
love that.
being quiet starting now. Okay, I'm so sorry, guys, but we had to go in a different room. And, okay, Kitsy.
Come here, Kitty.
Here's Kitsy, our kitty.
Come on down. Yeah.
Here she is. She's Emme Kitty's cat, by the way. She really loves Emme Kitty. Okay. Just gonna get a book out quickly. Don't mind me.
Sorry, guys. She's been a little grouchy.
Ooh, that's a little inappropriate.
Oh, no. Block that out.
That's a little inappropriate.
Oh, guys,
we're gonna edit that.
So you know, I don't know that person.
Yeah, okay, so, we'll start being quiet again starting right now. Okay guys, that's everything for today for our slime.
We might be doing a little more things in this video though.
Yeah, so don't get your hopes up, guys. We know how much you guys love our Roblox videos. So, if you guys give us up to 10 likes on this video, then we will make more Roblox videos. And we'll make more satisfying slimes if you guys like it. And we'll make more satisfying slimes with the tennis racket because we know how much views and likes we got on our original, very first tennis racket video, which was our very first video we ever made. So, hope you guys like this. And now, we'll be getting Nessa in here. Don't mind if I just put this right here for a couple seconds. Nessa, come. Nessa, come. Good dog. Come on in. Okay, you guys. Here we are with Nessa, my guide dog. Now, Nessa. Sit! Sit, Nessie! Good girl. Back up. Down. All the way. Up. Good dog. Okay, Nessa, go to bed. Go to bed. Good girl. Okay, we really suggest these Kong bones. They have treats on both sides to put in, and they come in all different sizes. Little sizes like this one, big sizes, and they're just a little to-go thing. Okay, that's it for today, guys. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It would really help out our channel. Okay, bye, guys. Thank you so much. We love you guys.
Bye.
And I will be doing a crochet video very soon. So, bye.